Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix exercises auto marking complete on Ledger. So if your exercises are getting automatically marked as complete in the app, that's usually tied to auto progress features, accidental taps, or a syncing glitch. So actually guys, first you will need to check for the auto advanced or auto complete behavior. So some programs in Ledger move forward automatically, and when you finish the last set it may mark the exercise complete. If you're tapping next quickly it can auto complete. So just slow down transitions and watch if it still happens without tapping anything. Also guys, you will need to watch for accidental taps. So this happens more than people think. So brushing the screen can tick off sets and exercises. So sweaty hands or sensitive screens can trigger it. So just try to lock in your screen between sets and wipe in the screen and hands. Also guys, they really advise you to force close and reopen the app if that's not the case. So just go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then close the app completely. And to do that you will need to swipe it away or swipe it up, as you can see, and then just reopen the app and start to work out again. So that fixes temporary UI glitches. And why not check your internet connection? So just go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of your phone and then just tap and hold this section, and here you will need to switch between the Wi-Fi and mobile data, turn the airplane mode, then off. Okay, so turn it on then off and avoid unstable connections. Even you can move closer to the router, and that's because the sync issues can cause weird behavior like auto completing. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.